Now let's record how to cut a rotated polygon. Open Caxa, select a regular polygon, and enter the number of sides in the lower left corner of the software. Here we take a regular hexagon as an example. Here the side length size is 100 as an example. This is the first picture. After we finish it, we start drawing the second picture. Also choose the correct multilateral line. For example, the side length is 150. Save the graphics separately after drawing them. Before saving, we have to choose whether to save concentrically or on the same side. Taking concentric saving as an example, we first need to make an auxiliary line. Find the center of the circle. Let S start saving now. Select part of storage. Name. Repeat the previous step. Save graphics separately. After finishing, open our automatic programming software. Choose to cut a new tapered part. Open a previously designed drawing. After opening, the two pictures will be displayed on the programming software. First, we need to change the cutting spacing and enter the spacing according to the width of the cutting foam. Here we take 500 as an example. After the input is completed, click Move the main synchronization point to move it.
Move the position of the upper and lower tangent points here. Click Cut. 3D Preview.
Each step can be previewed in 3D, thus forming the graphics we need. Every step can be previewed in 3D. The size of the foam block will be displayed here. Change the notch value here. Select longer/shorter path to apply the notch value. Set based on foam density and weight. I set 1.5 and 3 here. Create cutting path. Then click Next page. There will be a distance between the knife holder and the foam block. This needs to be changed based on device size. Optimize again after changing. Here are two sizes of 390. Let me tell you how our foam needs to be placed. The distance here is 309. The distance here is 309. You can cut out the desired effect. Of course, this number can also be changed. For example, if you enter 100 millimeters on the left side, you need to adjust the distance between the foam and the left side of the machine to 100 millimeters. About cutting waist thickness. By setting the offset position of the foam block, reduce scrap cutting. Next page. Store this cutting path. Then this program is ready.